Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discuss about top 25 question in pharma fresher job interview. Be ready with below question that are very commonly asked. Tell me about yourself. What is your greatest strength and weakness? Why do you want to work for this company? Can you provide an example of challenging situation you have faced and how you handled it? Where do you yourself in 5 years? First question, which are the different departments in pharmaceutical industry? Manufacturing production, quality assurance, quality control, research and development, clinical development, regulatory affairs, sales and marketing, information technology, finance and administration, human resources. Next question, which are the commonly manufacturing dosage form in the pharmaceutical industry? Commonly manufacturing dosage form in the pharmaceutical industry include tablets, capsule, injection, vial and ampoules, oral liquids, syrup and suspension, creams and ointments, powders and suppositories. Next question. What is Schedule M? Schedule M refers to the guidelines outlined in the Drugs and Cosmetic Act in India, specifically detailing good manufacturing practice GMP for the pharmaceutical industry. It provides standards for the manufacturing quality control and documentation of pharmaceutical product to ensure their safety, efficacy, and quality. Next question. What is pharmacopoeia? A pharmacopoeia is a comprehensive book or set of official standards that outline the quality, purity, strength, and preparation of drugs. Next question. What do you know about current good manufacturing practices? CGMP. Current good manufacturing practice or CGMP are regulatory guidelines ensuring that pharmaceutical and other regulated industries adhere to quality standards during manufacturing. They cover various aspects including facility, cleanliness, equipment validation, documentation, and process control, all made to ensuring the production of safe and effective products in a consistent manner. Next question. What is pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamics? Pharmacokinetic deal with how the body absorbs, distributes, metabolizes, and excretes drugs. Pharmacodynamics focus on the drug effect on the body, including its mechanism of action and the relationship between drug concentration and response. Next question. Which are the commonly used sterilization method in pharmaceutical industry? Hot sterilization techniques इसमें है moist heat, steam sterilization, next dry heat sterilization technique. कोल्ड स्टरलाइजेशन टेक्निक्स में है रेडिएशन, गामा रेडिएशन, गैसियस स्टरलाइजेशन, इसमें हम इथाइलिन ऑक्साइड गैस यूज करते हैं, फिल्ट्रेशन स्टरलाइजेशन, असेप्टिक प्रोसेसिंग. Next question. What is assay of pharmaceutical product? A pharmaceutical product assay is a test to determine the potency or concentration of its active ingredient. It ensures that the product contains the specified amount of the active substance, confirming its effectiveness and adherence to quality standards. What are the different stage or pharmaceutical product life cycle? Drug discovery and development, initial identification of potential drug candidates, clinical trial, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, regulatory approval, submission of data to regulatory authorities for approval, product launch, introduction of the drug to the market, maturity, continued marketing efforts to maintain market share, decline or withdrawal. Sales may decline due to various factors. Next question. Can you explain the difference between generic and brand name drugs? Generic drugs are identical copies of brand name drugs in terms of active ingredients, dosage strength, and intended use. The key difference lies in the name, price, and appearance. Brand name drugs are developed and marketed by pharmaceutical company while generic drugs become available after the brand name patent expire, providing a more affordable alternative. What is finished product in the pharmaceutical industry? A finished dosage form that has undergone all stages of manufacturing, including packaging in its final container with labeling, and which is ready for sale or release to market. Next question. What is sample and what are the basic characteristics of sample? A sample in the pharmaceutical industry refers to subset of product batch taken for testing or analysis. The basic characteristics of a sample include its representativeness, ensuring it accurately reflects the entire batch and randomized in selection to avoid basis in quality assessment. Next question. What is batch processing or batch manufacturing record? BMR. Documentation that provide the history of a batch from the raw material dispensing stage till the completion of all stages. Batch processing. It also include the details of activity performed by whom, checked by whom, at what time activity was performed, and signature of the personnel involved in the batch. What is the Standard Operating Procedure (SOP)? It is an authorized written document which describes the step-by-step instructions requirement for how to perform specific tasks or operation consistently and in accordance with industry regulation. Next question. What is role of production department and quality assurance department in pharmaceutical industry? Production department. The production department in the pharmaceutical industry is responsible for manufacturing drugs and ensuring efficient and compliant production process. This involves following good manufacturing practice GMP, producing high quality pharmaceutical products and meeting production schedules. Quality Assurance Department. The Quality Assurance Department is tasked with ensuring the pharmaceutical products meet stabilized quality standards and regulatory requirements. This includes conducting quality checks, inspection, and audit throughout the manufacturing process to guarantee the safety, efficacy, and overall quality of the final product. Next question. Explain the concept of stability testing in pharmaceuticals. Stability testing in pharmaceutical assesses how a drug product quality and attributes change over time. It involves exposing the product to various conditions such as temperature and humidity to protect its shelf life and ensure it remains safe and effective throughout its intended storage period. Next question. Can you describe the different phases of clinical trials? Clinical trials have three main phases. Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3. Phase 1 में assess safety and doses in small group. Phase 2 evaluate efficacy and side effects in larger group. And Phase 3 confirms result in an expanded population. Each phase is critical in determining a drug safety and effectiveness before it reach the market. Next question. What are the key component of a drug formulation? A drug formulation typically includes active pharmaceutical ingredients API, which provide therapeutic effect. Excipients support drug delivery, enhance stability, and ensure proper dosage form. The combination of these components form a drug product. Next question. Can you explain the concept of good laboratory practice GLP? Good laboratory practice GLP are a set of guidelines and standards that ensure the reliability, consistency, and integrity of laboratory data in the pharmaceutical industry. Adhering to GLP involves maintaining accurate record, using collaborated equipment, following approved procedures, and ensuring a clean and organized laboratory environment. Next question. What is validation? In simple words, it's confidence building procedure for applied process that it will give expected result. USFE, USFD definition. The collection and evolution of data from the process design stage throughout production, which stabilize scientific evidence that a process is capable of consistency delivering quality product. Next question. What is pH? pH potential of hydrogen ion. pH is measure of the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. pH is measured on a scale from 0 to 40, where 7 is neutral, below 7 is acidic, and above 7 is alkaline or basic. Next question. What is calibration and why is it essential in the pharmaceutical industry? Calibration is the process of verifying and adjusting instrument accuracy. It is essential in pharmaceutical to ensure accurate measurement, maintain data integrity, and compliance with regulatory requirement. Next question. What is technology transfer? Technology transfer is the process of transferring product, process, packaging, and analytical knowledge from one side to another side. Product technology transfer is transfer of product and process from transferring side to obtaining FDA regulatory approval. आज के लिए इतना ही। अब हम डिपार्टमेंट वाइज क्वेश्चन विद सॉल्यूशन वीडियो लाएंगे। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, अगर कोई डाउट हो तो कमेंट करके बताओ। अगर आप ये वीडियो फेसबुक पर देख रहे हो तो फॉलो कर लो, यूट्यूब पर देख रहे हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो। थैंक यू।